So I don't know if you remember the skull that I worked on the other day. I'm going to use my skull and then I use the same bar. I put 1 inch at the end and I'll try to stretch this out to make a bottle opener out of it. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it from this end, I think, so I don't damage the sculpture too much. I'll just punch from this end. Usually I would punch on the other end. There we go. That's alright. Fix that. It's the back of the head. Punch the other side, and that should give us a little bit of a spot and actually tell what's going on and where we want to punch up. Now I can see a flat spot. Great. I'm just going to stretch this hole. Flatten it out a little bit. I'm going to use my wooden trusty mallet. I made it of a elm wood, which is great. And I'm just going to flatten this out here a little bit. It's going to be easy to work. I'm just going to start working this eye. One. Back to the old ones, which do work best. Now I've got the eye stretched out. The this. Here's my kid's favorite part. This big finish. There you go, folks. A little skull. The face is a little mushed up, but not bad for the first one. Anyway, hope you like the videos. Subscribe, give me a comment on what you would like made. Out.